Hi, today I'm going to show you how to export TechDraw to PDF in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it first, you need to create a new empty file. So I go to this one option. And after that, we need to change mode from part design to TechDraw. It is very important to do it because on default we have set here part design. So now we need to select here TechDraw. And now we will see here a blank page. Sometimes you may use this option to insert default page, but in my case it's not always working. So I will undo the changes and I will click drawing create page, and I will try different method because here you can select this one option, insert page using template. On TechDraw templates you will find available templates which you can use in your project. So for example, I will scroll down and I will select here A4 landscape TD. I click on this one, file, and I click open. After that, template will be loaded. So now you can edit this template if you want. For example, you can modify the title. I click double time here and I type here my project title. I click OK button, and how you see, title has been changed. On this way you can easily edit this information, or you can try use different template if you want. But of course, if you want to export this TechDraw to PDF, you need to click right mouse button somewhere here. And then you need to select here export PDF. Now you need to select folder where you want to export it, and after that you need to change format to PDF. It is very important to select it. Now I need to type here a file name, for example simple TechDraw, and if I want to save it, I click save. So in this way you can easily export your TechDraw to PDF in FreeCAD. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.